Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.5 question number 4. A. Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation m plus 10 is equal to 16. Right. For the value of m equal to 1 we are getting complete the table, that is m plus 10. Right. If we take the value of m as 1, 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. If we take 2, that is 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. 3 plus 10 is equal to 13. 4 plus 10 equal to 14. 5 plus 10 equal to 15. 6 plus 10 equal to 16. 7 plus 10 equal to 17. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. If it is 11, it is 12 and it is 13. Right? 20. 11 plus 10. 11 plus 10 is 21. 12 plus 10 is 22. And 13 plus 10 is equal to 23. Right? Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation m plus 10 is equal to 16. Here you see m plus 10, the value of m equal to, when m equal to 6, this value. Right? This is the solution of the equation. When the value of m is equal to 16, then the left hand side and right hand side are same. Therefore, we can say that m equal to 6 is the solution of the equation. Therefore, we can say that m is equal to 6 is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Now, question number B. Question number: complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation 5t is equal to 35. If t equal to 3, if t equal to 3, then 3 5 is 15. If t equal to 4, 4 5 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 7 is 35. Here you see, this is the solution. 5 7 is 35 and 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45, 5 5 10 is 50, 5 10 is 50, 5 11 is 55, 12, 5 12 is 60, then 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? That 13 into 5, 13 into 5, 3 5 is 15, 65, and it is 65. Then 14 into 5, 14 into 5, 5 4 is 20, 5 is 5 6 7, it is 70. Then 15 into 5, that is 75. 15 into 5, 5 4 is 25, 75, that is 75. And 60 into 5, 60 into 5, 6 5 is 30, 5 is 5 80, 16 5 is 80. Right? 80. Now you see that 5t equal to 35, that means for the value of t is equal to 7, it will be 35. That means left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore, we can say that for t is equal to 7 is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Now, question number C. Question number C is here you see. The z equal to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Right? Z by 3, that is 8 by 3. The first one is 8 by 3. Then it is 9 by 3. It is 10 by 3. Then 11 by 3. 11 by 3. What you are getting? 3 3s are 9. 10, 11, 2. That is 3 whole 2 by 3. This one is 2 whole 3 whole 2 by 3. 3 whole. This one is 3 whole 2 by 3. Then 12 by 3. 12 by 3. 3 4 is 12. Then 13 by 3. 13 by 3. If we divide 13 by 3, it is 3 4 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. 4 whole 1 by 3. Next one is 4 whole 1 by 3. Next one is 4 whole 1 by 3. Next one is 14 by 3. 14 by 3 comes to 14 by 3. 3 4 is 12. 13 14 2 4 whole 2 by 3. Next one is 4 whole 2 by 3. 4 whole 2 by 3. Then 15 by 3, that is 5. Next one is 16 by 3. 16 by 3, that is 3 5 is 15. 16 is 1. 5 whole 1 by 3, that is 5 whole 1 by 3. Next one is 17 by 3. If we put 17 by 3, then 7. 3 5 is 15. 16 72. 5 whole 2 by 3. Next one is 5 whole. Next one is 5 whole 2 by 3. 5 whole 2 by 3. 18 by 3, that is 6. 19 by 3. 19 by 3 is 19 by 3, that is 3 6 is 18. 1. 6 whole 1 by 3. Next one is 6 whole 1 by 3. 6 whole, that is 6 whole 1 by 3. And 20 by 3 is 20 divided by 3 is 3 6 18, and 26 whole 2 by 3. Next one is 6 whole 2 by 3. Right. Then what is the equation? Z by 3 is equal to 4. Z by 3 is equal to 4. That means for Z equal to 12, that is for Z equal to 12, for Z equal to 12, answer is 4. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Right. This is the solution. Therefore Z equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Now question number D. What is question number D? You see, question number D is M. Question number D is complete the table and find the solution to the equation m minus 7 is equal to 3. M minus 7. If we put m equal to 5, 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. 11 minus 7 is 4. 12 minus 7 is 5. 13 minus 7 is 6. 14 minus 7 is 7. And 15 minus 7 is 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Right. Now what is the solution? Here see, the m minus 7 is equal to 3. If we put m equal to 10, here this one, m equal to 10, then we are getting the value of 3. Then the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore m equal to 7 for m is equal to 10 is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Right. In this way you have to find the value. Right. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.